Okay, hey brownies, welcome back to my channel. And I look a little bit crazy right now, but that's because I'm actually on my way to go and, well, I'm actually like in the Tim Hortons line to go and get myself some food before I go and get my pampering on. So this is gonna be a pamper vlog, you guys. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to, you know, get my nails done. What else? To do my wax. I mean, I can't really record it, so hold on. Just got a little bit some, it's not really breakfast, but you know, I got myself a little bit some food. But yeah, you guys, this is gonna be a vlog, a pamper vlog. So I've been wanting to, excuse, yo, I feel like my face looks so dry. But I've been wanting to do a pamper vlog for the longest because, I don't know, just 2019 has been a year where I've kind of been taking better care of myself. And excuse the fact I'm not looking at you guys because I'm driving. Shouldn't be doing that, but I'm doing that. But no, in all seriousness, like 2019 has been a year where I've really been taking care of myself. I've been really making sure that I give myself a little bit more tender loving care to, like, you know, my skin, and my, you know, my body. I mean, you know, my working out habits and my eating habits haven't really been that good. But, you know, for everything else, I've really been trying to just, you know, take time out. And even if that has to do with money, you know, I've been like taking that time out to really, like, you know, go and do things that make me feel good. So, you know, there's a lot of different things that I do, and I'm in the process of trying to incorporate like different other habits into my routine. Oof. Hey guys. Alrighty guys, so I look crazy. It's like, why do I always start my freaking vlogs with that? But like, so you guys, I wasn't able to bring you guys with me to go and get my whatchamacallit. My lips are so dry. I wasn't able to bring you guys with me to do my wax because, you know, it's such an intimate, like, you know, thingy. And I'm not really like, I just started going to this lady, and she's mad sweet. Like, she's so sweet, like, and she's really, she really like gets in there, like, make sure, like, you know, she's in there and, you know, like, you know. I've been doing waxes more so since like the summer and fall. Like, I haven't ever done waxes in my whole entire life, right? So I started doing waxes, and to be honest, like, I'm in love with how easy it is, and just, you know, just taking care of myself and pretty much using that day as a time to just go and tend to myself, you know. And the first time I ever got my waxes, I got it done at like the European something, and to be honest, that girl that did it, she like ruined my first experience. Like, that girl was not on top of it. She did not like care about the fact that, you know, she just hit my car. This girl, she wasn't like on top of like making sure that every little piece of hair was gone. Like, she didn't do all of that. And it was just a horrible experience, and she wasn't patient with me, and she didn't care that I was literally crying. But this girl that I now go to, I literally found her through a Groupon. You guys should definitely use Groupons if you haven't already. Like, I love Groupons for everything. Like, I use Groupons to get my lashes done when I really want to do that. I've done it a couple times for nails, for trips and stuff like that. So definitely use Groupons if you haven't already. But that's how I found her, and I'm just so sold on her. Like, I love her to death. So if you're in the Buffalo area, definitely let me know, and I can, like, you know, shout her out to you. Like, I can like send you a private message, and you guys should like definitely check her out. So you guys, I just went and bought myself some bundles. Like, I want to show you guys because I know my car looks a little crazy, but I just bought myself some bundles. You can't really see it, can you? But it's like all the way, it's all the way in there. I'm too lazy to lean over. But I bought myself some bundles and a closure, and I'm about to install Why is this person looking? I'm about to install a bob onto my head, like a Quickweave bob, because I just want to be able to get my hair done. Because right now this looks crazy, like my hair looks reckless underneath. You guys should see, like, it's just the wig is plopped on my head and I threw on like a hat. I'm about to go get my hair done, and I've never really done a bob before, so I'm about to do that with a closure. And then a little bit after, I'm gonna go and get my nails done, and that's also gonna be like a video on itself. Like, I'm gonna go and get my nails done at this really, really nice spot. Like, it's mad cute over there, so you know. So yeah, you guys, I'm about to go and do all that, but I'm about to go home, wash my hair, blow out my hair as much as I can before I go and you know, get this installed. Positive bottles, and I got $8. Okay. All right. Hey guys. Hey brownies. So I had to come over here and show you guys. Excuse the sound in the background. I'm at my boyfriend's house right now, but yeah. So this is how my hair looks. Cute it looks. Like, you guys could see any other video, I was with my sister. Like, we went and got some Starbucks because, you know, she also is out here. So I was like, okay girl, let's get some Starbucks and just chill. But yeah, this is how my hair looks, guys. Like, this is so cute. I probably would have gotten the bob a little bit whatchamacallit, I probably would have gotten the bob a little bit shorter, but I don't know, I didn't want to do it too short because I'm used to doing it like literally like right here. I definitely would have like plucked this a little bit more, and he slightly plucked it. I'm definitely gonna like fix up these baby hairs because I don't like baby hairs that go on either side. Like, I like a nice cute swoop in the middle. Like, that's how I like my baby hairs, and this one just looks, you know, I don't know, I don't really like how the baby hairs look, and I thought he was gonna pluck it more, but he didn't really pluck it. Okay guys, so I'll see you guys later to do my nails. I wasn't able to get my nails done today. I was too tired. It's literally like 10 o'clock. I was there for like 4 hours. But I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow and my feet done, and then I've also got a couple videos to shoot tomorrow, so that's good. So I will talk to you guys later. Excuse my ashy face. So bye. So you guys, it's literally been like a week since the last time that I recorded anything, but so you guys, I'm about to go and get my nails done. I was supposed to get my nails done last week, but yeah guys, so I'm about to go and get my nails done right now. This is how my nails are looking. They look very crazy right now. My appointment is for 6 o'clock and it is literally 5:55. I just showered and all that stuff. Like, I came back from work and stuff like that. But did you guys listen to the new Chicks Tape 5? Like, you guys already know Tori's my baby, so I'm about to bump that right now. But yeah, so I'm about to go and get my nails done. So I just finished, sorry it's kind of dark, but I just finished getting my nails done and changing up the color on my feet. Oh girl, it's cold outside. It's freaking, I don't know, and this girl's wearing a whole freaking dress. Aren't you cold? Oh gosh, it's cold. But gosh, yo, my car looks so gross. Like, look how dirty it looks. Okay, ew. I usually never get my nails like pointy like this, but I just been on that whole Instagram baddie type of like vibe. Like, you know that Instagram nails where it just looks so long and sharp and pretty, or it looks natural and subtle and just very classy. Wow, this person's flashing their lights at me. Thank you for the light. So yeah, so I never do anything like that. I'm used to my nails looking basic AF, square, gross, just basic, okay? And you guys, to be honest, like, nothing's wrong with being basic. Like, I've been a basic honey buns my whole entire life, but I don't know, it's like there's something about just putting a little bit more effort into your whole look, you know? And you know, I got my hair done. I still need to get my brows threaded, and you guys already know, like, this is like a whole freaking long vlog of doing everything that I need to do. But to be honest, I work full-time and I go to school for full-time, and it's really hard for me to just get myself looking right even during the weekends. Like, I'm doing homework during the weekends, so it's like everything's all spread out throughout the week. Like, I do my nails one day, I do try and attempt to do my hair another day, like, you know. And this is not something that happens like every 2 weeks like some people just have a bunch of money and they're able to do that stuff. But your girl, even though I might work full-time, you guys, yeah, I don't got money like that. I'm trying to pay for school. With me getting my nails done, this was kind of like a treat to myself. I spent like $95 doing my nails and my feet, and it would have been even more expensive because the girl was just mad sweet. She was like, oh yeah, girl, don't worry, like, I'll give you like a pedicure without really charging you for the pedicure, because I was supposed to only get like a gel polish. But yeah, I just have to get my brows done because right now they're looking reckless. But at the same time, I kind of want to grow them out because I'm so done with the shape of my brows. Like, I feel like my brows look so annoying. I hate them. Like, I feel like I shouldn't have to like deal with like brows like this. Like, I want my brows to look nice. Like, they don't even need to be thick, but it's like I just want them to have a nice shape. And I guess I just can't figure out what type of shape goes well with my face. I thought that these type of brows where they're very like choo-choo, I thought those would look good, but I feel like that doesn't really look good on my face. I feel like it kind of like, I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't really suit my face well. So I'm trying to figure out like a good shape to go for, and then just grow out my brows after I get my brows done. So I'm just trying to figure it out, you guys. I really don't know, but yeah. So I'll see you guys later in whatever clip is after this. Okay.